What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a little bit of catch-up work, and this is the last video of today. I'm doing an unboxing of the Bright and Beautiful mystery bag from IPSY. It is this super plush, soft little bag. It has orange on one side and red and pink on the other. This has 5 travel size products in it, so let's see what's inside. It has this gorgeous berry satin inside. And first thing I see is the Juliet Has a Gun. This is Happy Pear. I've never smelled any of this brand's fragrances. Ooh, this is a complex smell. So the notes of this smell are green pear, ambroxan, musk. It's a light fruity scent with a crisp, vibrant aroma. It is a unisex fragrance for daytime wear, especially in spring and summer. It's sweet and juicy and soft powdery undertones, clean and uplifting. This smells so good. I think it's the ambroxan that I really like. The pear is light and fresh, and I don't really get much of the powdery notes, maybe when it finishes, but super yummy smell. Love that. Okay, next is the Sophia and Mabel Strawberry Sorbet. I've received so many of these, and I've definitely given these away, especially for the holidays. Little blush palette. It's cream and powder, so that's great. That's gonna go in my giveaway bin. Next is the Avatara Juicy Watermellow Lip Jelly. Okay, I do have like a red lip on right now. I've been playing with makeup all morning, so my makeup's kind of crazy, so we might... Ooh. It is super watery. It's like a lip oil, but it's very watery. It's not thick at all. That is definitely different than I expected it, especially in the tube. I thought it was gonna be like a thicker gloss, but it's very thin. And you could see it's even like removing my lip stain because of the oil in it. Not what I expected. Next is the Downtown Paris eyeshadow in rose gold. Oh my gosh, these remind me of like a Maybelline eyeshadow that came out, I'm not kidding, back in like 1999 or 2000. And I wore this bronze color everywhere. It was like my go-to look. Leave me like a pink heart if you want to see how I used to do my makeup when I was like just becoming a teenager. I would love to film that. It was like brown lip liner, gloss in the middle, and like a bronzy gold eye. This is literally the exact color that I wore as a 13-year-old. I would love to recreate that look. So let me know, leave me like a gold star if you want to see how I used to do my makeup as a 13-year-old. Okay, next is the Mud Masky Melting Mud Cleansing Mask. Ooh, okay, a little travel. It's like a mask and cleanser in one. I love that. That is what was in the Bright and Beautiful mystery bag from IPSY for the holiday season. If you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.